What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you've seen in the last video, we got the subfloor busted out and we got some framing started. So what we're gonna be doing in this video is some more framing. We're gonna try and finish it off strong and then get ready to run some electrical. So let's just get right into it.
So we're just grabbing a lot of boxes. After framing, we're gonna start wiring. We're not there yet, obviously, but soon enough we got all of our lumber, so we're getting close and just gonna stock up.
We got our 3-way wire and 2-way wire. This is mostly just for our outlets. And then this is if you want to be able to turn a light on from 2 different switches. We use 3-way wire.
So we're gonna get this lumber and head back to the house. Keep framing, get that all done.
We had a big 12-inch vent in the corner. We're gonna be stepping that down, either do a 6-inch or a 4-inch.
Yeah, we'll cut the hole later, making that smaller.
Yeah, since we're getting rid of the boiler, we don't have as many fumes coming up, so all we have is the water heater exhaust. So we're just gonna step it down, put it in the corner so there's more room for furniture, and homeowner will be more.
Yeah, now we're gonna run our bottom plate and our top plate to get to it.
We're gonna put our light boxes in real quick because we're putting lights in the beams.
There's gonna be some rope lighting on top. Give a good accent to the whole room. Just turn those on while you watch TV or something.
We're gonna start framing out these windows because we got news that the window company can't come for 2 weeks. So we're not gonna get held up because of that. So we're gonna keep framing. We're just gonna frame the window around the old wood. And then later, if they come back and tell us something different, then we can come and move our stud or put new wood in and frame to how they want it then. But we're gonna keep moving, and we're not gonna frame these windows like new construction or like new renovation windows, because the actual window is gonna be sitting on these bricks, so that's already framed out. So basically what we're gonna do is just put a 2x4 around it and then put our studs, because that's just gonna basically be holding our casing and our trim and our drywall. So let's do that now.
Alright guys, so we got our window busted out. As you can tell, nothing's really structural for the window, since there's actually a big header underneath this plaster right here. So if so, then this would have a header like that vertically, but probably a 2x6 or 2x8. Same on the bottom, it wouldn't be flat like this, it would be vertical. If it needed support, then that's what we would have to do. But since there's no support, we don't need to do that. We're basically just holding our drywall like Jared said. Now we're gonna keep working on this wall, and just keep doing it.
This is the header up here. This old wood, that's a big old piece of hand-hewed wood they built this place with, so that's doing all the supporting. Something to hide our wires in down low. We put a couple boxes up just for fun, electrical boxes, so getting a little idea of electrical here. So we got all our windows framed out. Next, bedroom door, bathroom pocket door, closet pocket door. About to frame this pocket door in. Right now we're gonna frame the rough opening, and then we're gonna set this pocket door frame. So we create our rough opening around the frame all the way over here down, and then we set this in there, level it, and then just screw this in, and then after that, pocket door just sits in here and slides right through here. So we're gonna frame that now, and we'll show you that in a time lapse now.
Alrighty, so we got our pocket door mostly in the right spot. It's all level. Once we actually go pick up the door and hang it, we'll see what minor adjustments we still need to make, but for the most part, our framing's in and everything's secure.
We also did our other pocket door down here. Did this one a little bit better. Now we have to figure out framing up this loft. Homeowner wants to put a mattress up there on the loft. It's pretty cool. And we also have to frame this bathroom shower wall. It's gonna be a full wall and then a half wall right here with some glass so light can come in. Doing a little bathroom wall framing.
It's the wall where all of our valves will go. Not so many more walls to frame out, and then we're about wrapped up. Right now we're about to be starting framing up the loft. To do so without having a beam go perpendicular, we are using 20 footers to span the whole way across. We also bought an LVL because we know that it will have bounce and the drywall will crack.
You last saw us at the lumber yard, getting long 20-foot lumber for this loft, framing it out. We haven't been recording as much. We've just been trying to get all this framing done, and we've been working with pretty tight quarters up here in this loft. Check it out. This is gonna be a bed up here. And
Getting comfy trying to test it out.
we got our loft all framed up. Back here, there's gonna be a built-in shelf above the bed for charging your phone, books, whatever. Homeowner had a good idea to put that in, so we did that, and it's done up here. For now, we'll probably add some blockers later for the roof. We're putting drywall on the sides, but on the roof, it's gonna be the same as out here. And yeah, there's gonna be a ladder over here to get up here. And then this is what it looks like out there. There's gonna be a fan out there. We put all of our blockers up here to catch our drywall. And we got everything else basically framed out. So framing's about 90%, I'd say, complete. We still have some small things to do, like this smaller vent in for our water tank. Get that out, patch the roof and all that. Patch that, we'll do some of those things later. Also moving in some of these window frames when that time comes, but for now we can move on with the remodel. Check it out over here. We got all of our loft supported. Over here we really beefed it up. We put 2 LVLs, diagonal supports as well. No give because the drywall beneath it, we didn't want that to crack or anything. So we got our half wall done. We were working on that, and our shower walls are done. We've been moving really fast trying to get this framing all done so we can move on with the process, and finally got everything done and it's looking really good.
Alrighty guys, so that's a wrap on framing. This place has come a long way since demo. Walls, as you can see, all been framed up. Sorry we didn't get too much video footage of that. We kind of just wanted to keep moving, keep our foot on the gas. What we got going on next is some electric installation. Those are in the following videos. Stay tuned for that.